Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.4% against the yen. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 2.9% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.3% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street seesawed amid choppy trading, reversing earlier gains as investors embarked on the new year facing the crosscurrents of solid labour market data, a rising dollar and tumbling Tesla shares. The T3 Financial Crimes Unit, spearheaded by stablecoin issuer Tether, the Tron Network and TRM Labs, collectively froze $126 million in USDT since the inception of the FCU in August 2024. The FCU works with law enforcement agencies across the world to freeze illicit transactions. The US dollar hit a two-year high in the first day of 2025 trading, building on last year's strong gains on expectations US growth will beat peers and keep US interest rates relatively elevated. The Fed has indicated that it will be more cautious in cutting interest rates as inflation remains stubbornly above its 2% annual target.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index will be released at 15 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing New Orders Index at 15 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Prices Paid at 15 GMT. Germany's unemployment rate will be released at 8:55 GMT. Germany's unemployment change at 8:55 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 20:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.